Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to reverse one string. So we are initializing the string here. It is of name string str and it's of type string of course, and the string is hello. We would like to reverse it using the reverse predefined function. There are two arguments in this parenthesis. We simply type down the name of the string, which is str.begin and empty parentheses and str.end empty parentheses. So in these two arguments, we are basically in the first part saying that the start of the reverse and the end of the reverse. So we would like to reverse the full string. We are saying that start from the beginning of the string and end at the end of the string. Using this, we are going to reverse everything in the string. Let me run. Okay, so here we see that hello is reversed and O and H have changed their position, and then this E and L have changed also their position, and this part remains the same because it's in the middle point. So simply with a reverse predefined function in C++, we can define the beginning of the reverse and the end of the reverse that we are aiming to have, and then we simply put the name of the string, point or dot, begin empty parentheses and comma, str dot end and parentheses and empty parentheses. So this way we are calling the reverse function. Basically the reverse function is something like this. Before the comma is the beginning of the reverse, and after the comma it's the end of the reverse, depending on what we want to do with the string. But if we want to reverse the full string, we are starting from the beginning, like here. We type the name of the string, then begin and parentheses, and after the comma, we say the name of the string and end, empty parentheses, and that's it. Thank you for watching.